Welcome to the 32 Days of Disney Family YouTube channel. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and Twitter, like and share this video, and hit that subscribe button.
Hi, I'm Riel, and today I'm going to make stained glass jello. You will need 4 colors of jello, condensed milk, and plain gelatin. I'm starting with purple. I put the mixture in the bowl, and now I'm pouring 1 cup of boiled water. And now I'm going to stir it until it's all mixed in. Okay, now we're going to pour it into the 4th container, which is the final container. And now we're going to put them all in the fridge for about 4 hours. So we checked on our jello and it's all done. So now we are going to cut our jellos into little squares. But they don't all have to be exact. And then we dump it in. Inside. Last is the red, so we're going to put it all in, and then we're going to mix it with my spatula. So now that we've mixed our jello together, we are going to put in 2 packages of gelatin. We already added 1, so this is our second. And then we're going to dump 2 cups of hot water. Like we said, 2 cups. And our second cup goes in. And then we're going to mix the gelatin until it dissolves. And then we're going to let it sit for a few minutes. And now that we've let it cool for a while, we're going to add the sweetened condensed milk into that. And we're going to let it cool now that it's all mixed in and pretty. Now that we've let the condensed milk and plain gelatin cool, we're going to put it over our jello. we'll show you the finished product after we let it cool in the fridge. And now that our product has been finished, I'm going to cut out some beautiful hearts. And now we scoop it up